uncomfortable, annoying, useless. The Mazda engineers made the perfect car, but they forgot one thing. Introducing the Battic Works Armrest for the popular NC Miata. It's simple. Drop in the Battic Works Armrest and enjoy a more comfortable driving experience with a place to rest your arm that feels like it came straight from the factory. Made with premium automotive material and assembled in the USA, this is the only modification you'll ever need. No one likes a painful cockpit. Upgrade to the OEM quality comfort your Miata deserves and hit the road to enjoy every single mile.
All right, and getting serious, for the last few months, you guys have been asking me about this. So some quick backstory. My friend Brad, you guys have probably followed him on Instagram, and if you watched the Miatas and the Gap videos, you would have seen him in those videos. I've known him online for the last few years and finally got to meet him in person, and we've sort of developed like a little, not business relationship, but he's always supported me in what I've done with the super automotive door straps. And when he had this really cool idea, I was all about helping out. And his idea wasn't some universal garbage armrest that you just shove in your cup holders. He went through the effort of designing and producing an NC Miata armrest. And this was version 1. He got it branded, he came up with his own company website, and all of that is down in the description below. And I used it for a few hundred miles of driving in my NC1 because they not only fit NC1s, they also fit NC2s and 3, which he designed it around, so kind of double duty there. And in testing this, I genuinely realized that this was a solution to a problem I didn't even know I had. In comes version 1 of the Battic Works Armrest for the NC Miata. I've loved having this in my car for the last few hundred miles. It's something that I don't think I could live without now, but there's a new one. And these haven't just been in my car. He sent these to a few other Miata owners to test out who drive a lot. So this is truly something that has been developed by the community and a true enthusiast in Brad. So big shout out to you, Brad, for sending this my way. I'm excited to unbox it and leave this in the car for good, so I don't have to quit making videos on it because I hope everyone goes down and orders. But let's get this box open. He's taken a ton of pride in the packaging and shipping of this product, so really a premium experience. This might be something he's making at home, but it's really nice. There's your product placement. And this one isn't too different from the version 1, but it is infinitely better. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. This truly looks like something that would come in a car, or you would be purchasing this for way more money from a larger automotive supplier. The version 2 padding is a lot thicker. It's much softer though too, so way more comfortable than version 1. It's a little bit taller, but he's designed it in a way that your armrest in the center console when you use this will fit exactly level with the door card armrest, so it doesn't feel like your elbows are all wonky. And I've had my elbow on this for 100 so miles now, and genuinely really comfortable. It fits into your NC1, NC2, NC3 cup holders when you slide that lid open. It's constructed with some really nice ABS material that is laser cut to fit perfectly in the center console, and automotive grade materials in this like vinyl-y leather kind of feel. It's really soft, easy to clean and all of that. And with the soft felt, it's not gonna scratch up your center console or anything like that, so you don't have to drill, you don't have to cut. It's gonna slide in and out. You can still use your cup holders when you need them. This is something that you are definitely gonna want in your car if you're driving your Miata daily, or if you're just looking for a more comfortable solution. And install is genuinely the easiest thing you'll ever do. So this is an NC1. I'll show you guys in the NC2 as well, but all you do is open up your center console. You don't have to take off the cup holder spacer or anything like that, and it just fits in absolutely perfectly, pops in. There is zero play, front to back, side to side. It's gonna stay secure. It's not gonna pop out because you gotta give it a little bit of a pull to get it in and out, which is good. And it just looks OEM. Like, if you didn't know the cup holders were there and someone just saw this, I mean, it looks OEM. And like I said, my elbows aren't wonky. They're same level and zero problem shifting. You can shift through all the gears. You can even shift with one hand with your elbow still on the armrest if you want to, but really comfortable. It really elevates the experience in the NC Miata, and it's soft, it doesn't rub on your elbows. It's just, I can't tell you how good this thing is. I wouldn't be making a video on just an armrest if I didn't think that you guys needed this. And let's say you do have a cup or a bottle you want to put in here, pop it out, set it off to the side, put your cups in, close this if you want to close it, and then when you're ready to go, pop it back in, and that's it. It's really that easy. So NC2, NC3 fits perfect, looks great. NC1 fits as well, looks perfect, fits great. And that's what you'll get with the Battic Works center console armrest. So if you are interested in picking up a center console armrest from Battic Works, go down below in the description. The URLs are down there. I put both URLs just because, I don't know, for some reason on my Chrome, I was having issues reaching the main website, but both of them are there in case you want to pick up a set. It is batticworks.com. Shipping is free when you do pick up center console armrest, but if you want to save a little bit more cash, use code JR10. Upon ordering, you will receive 10% off. Get that thing to your door for even less money, and it is worth every single cent. It's priced very competitively compared to other aftermarket armrests that won't fit the car perfectly. It's priced very competitively in that regard. You're getting your money's worth with this thing, and you're supporting an enthusiast who wanted to make something for his car that he realized other people need. And I'm really cool with that. I think that's awesome because, as you guys know, I also have my own little storefront that supports my builds and supports your guys' builds as well. So support enthusiasts. Don't buy from some random warehouse that's just drop shipping things. Order from Battic Works because he's building them in-house, placing all of your orders together, shipping them out himself. I mean, it's worth it. It's worth supporting other NC Miata owners, and especially for the quality of a part that you do get, it is so worth it. And like I did say, you can shift just fine. If you're just cruising, you don't even have to take your arm or your elbow off the armrest. You can just flick it into gear and you're just cruising. It's great. But if you're driving a little bit more aggressively, you can obviously move your arm around more. It's not like you were rubbing it on the plastic anyways, so it's just all around such a good item. Brad, you killed it, and thank you again for sending this my way. I'm super excited to promote it on my YouTube channel. And go check out Flywheel Films, their video. They might have some different thoughts than I do, so go check out that channel as well. Miatas are just the best, especially when you add cool parts and you make them genuinely better. These cars are so good. So wrapping up this video, there's not much else to say. Looks good, super comfortable, useful, solves a problem that you guys probably didn't even realize you have. Whether you have an NC1 with the plastic armrest slider, or you have the fake leather ones that come in the NC2, I've got experience with both, and this is way more comfortable. So, thank you guys for watching another video. If you are new to the channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button. Go to batticworks.com and pick up your center console armrest. Leave your comments below, leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next one.